The increasing pace of digital transformation has made cybersecurity more critical than ever. New reports of high-profile cybersecurity breaches emerge almost daily, with even the biggest companies falling victim to these attacks. With trillions of dollars at stake, as well as the security and privacy of billions of people and their data, highly skilled cybersecurity professionals are needed to defend critical infrastructure against the ever-increasing sophistication of cyber attacks. To design and implement a strong security program that protects both enterprises and individuals, organizations need security architects who can balance the best practices of information security management and incident response at scale. That is why Udacity has built the Security Architect Nanodegree program with leading industry partners to teach you the technical and business skills required to be a successful cybersecurity architect and leader in the industry. This program's world-class curriculum will not only teach you how to build complex cybersecurity solutions, but also how to deploy solutions at scale for large enterprises with countless endpoints. You will gain the skill sets required to serve as a subject matter expert in all areas of security, and you will be able to integrate network security, endpoint security, cloud security, and threat response into a larger overall defense strategy. Instead of covering a small attack surface, you'll learn how to work with security components at the system level to design secure systems that thwart malware, hacker intrusions, and denial of service attacks across an entire organization. As cyber threats evolve and become ever more complex, the skills taught in Udacity's Security Architect Nanodegree program will help you stay in demand.